What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we are making some breakfast tacos. Now this is a recreation of my very first video. Quality was absolutely horrendous. Yeah, definitely learned a lot since then. So, what we're gonna do, I got all my burners on high right now. I'm gonna get some bacon and some hash browns down. We're gonna get that going. So let's just dive in. What do you say? All right, I got some oil and some butter down right here. I'm just gonna dump this whole bag right on in here. Right like so. Let's turn this stuff up. Try and get some of that butter and oil all over it. I am gonna add some more butter because that is the key to getting some nice, good, crispy hash browns. That's how it's done. All right, now let's spread it around a little bit. Boom. All right, we'll let that go now. I'll put these right here. Let's get going on this bacon. Right here we got a pound of some nice, real thick cut bacon. So let's get that on here. All right, so I got this whole pack of bacon on here. I'm just moving it around a little bit, getting everything good. I want to try and keep a little bit of this grease away from the hash browns for now. I do have more butter on the hash browns right now. That's going to melt just fine. So over here we got some cheese we're going to throw on there. We got some nice fresh tortillas, flour tortillas. We got some sausage, some spicy Jimmy Dean sausage. We got some veggies. We got red pepper, jalapeno, and onion in here. And then, last but not least, we got 12 eggs right here. We're going to throw a little seasoning on them right before we throw them on. So yeah, let's just let this bacon cook up. Bring it back when it's ready to flip, and we'll go from there. All right, the bacon is just about done. Let's get this sausage on here. No pretty way to do this. Boom. Just chop it up. This stuff's gonna cook up real fast. That's why I waited for the bacon to be almost done. I turned these two burners all the way low on the left side here. As soon as the bacon gets pretty close to being done, now we like our stuff crispy. So that's how we do it, but as soon as that gets close to being done, I'm going to move all the bacon over there and then move the hash browns over here to finish cooking in that bacon grease. Alright, so let's just get this stuff going. Ooh, you can smell the spice in that. Spice. Alright, so the bacon is pretty much done, so I'm going to flip that right on over here to this side. Ooh, buddy. We're just going to leave all that nice, good bacon right there. We're going to, let's take the hashies. We're going to take the hashies. Look at that fry. Boom. Alright. And the sausage right here, this is looking really good. Oh yeah, this is done too, I think. Just going to give it another 30 seconds. Make sure it's all chopped up. Boom. Alright, now let's get these veggies on. Not everybody's eating veggies, so there's not too much of that, so we'll throw that right here. Get them going right in there. Oh, left a couple guys here. We got a couple serranos right here. Don't worry, Dad, I didn't forget them. We'll throw these right here. So yeah, let's just let this stuff cook up. We're getting there. Alright, so here's our veggies. These are just about done. I just flipped the hash browns. These are looking really good. Real nice color on those. We got these serrano peppers cooking up right here. Yeah, they're good. Got the bacon right here. Let's keep that back in that corner. Got the sausage. Now right after I finish this stuff, we're gonna throw the eggs on. Here we go, the veggies are done. They look and smell delicious. Man, I cannot wait. My mouth is watering right now. All right, we're all good over here. Now what I'm gonna do is clean up a spot, because I don't want these eggs to be too dirty, because my daughter will not eat them if they are. Boom, let's get some eggs going. We're gonna throw a little bit of oil. Now there is still a little bit of bacon grease on here. That's a good thing about, you know, all the pores and stuff in this, because it just, get over here, oil. Get over here. I'm trying to run. Because it holds that grease. And that's what I want. Alright, we're melting that butter. Alright. Get some eggs going. Let's just dump it. Let's just dump her. Ooh, look at all these eggs, boy. Look at all that. Just peels right off the griddle. Right off there. Alright, so pretty much done. Pretty much done. So I'm gonna throw a little seasoning on. I got a little cayenne pepper. Not gonna put too much of that on there, so I don't want to catch a beat down. Being too spicy. A little garlic powder. Just go on that. I know it looks like a lot, but it's really not, especially with this many eggs. And pepper. Good to go. Boom, look at that. We're done. Eggs are done. Just mixing them up real good. Alright, now I took the eggs off so they don't overcook, because nobody wants dry eggs. So boom, I got some oil down, a little bit of peanut oil. Just gonna toast these things up lightly. Then it's time to build. Like that. All right, y'all. This looks so good. So good. I mean, everything about this. Now, I did add chili garlic sauce. This right here. I love this stuff, and it's really good on these tacos. So let's dive in. I'm going to go with the bacon first, because that looks really good. Ooh, baby. Man, these things are full. Amazing. Nice fluffiness. Now, I forgot to say, I was watching Big Cat 305. He said a lot of people have been telling him to put water in his eggs. So that's what I did. They came out perfect. Super fluffy. Big Cat 305, great channel. Go check him out. Good dude. Oh, man. This is amazing. I don't know what to say, guys. Bacon is perfect. If you like crispy bacon, that's the way to do it. Hash browns, got a nice crisp to them. I probably put like 3 or 4 tablespoons of butter in with them throughout the cook. Oh man, so good. But that's all I got. I'm gonna get in, eat some dinner, relax. Got some beautiful weather coming, can't wait. So I appreciate you guys coming along. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook, because I would be down to try stuff. You know I love it. So yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.